Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UGAZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Done this analysis several times before this past week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But today was just a savage move, and in trading terminology, technical jargon, this is what we would call a gap and trap. If maybe you're new, what is that? Well, real quick, on Thursday, the price closed right there, and then this morning, the price opened right there and was up higher than where it closed, hence the gap up. But then where things get really cruel is that as soon as the market opened up, the price actually moved a little bit. But point here being some poor souls were buying up around here. And then from that point, it was all selling pressure the remainder of the day. So a savage move. But the crazy thing is, look right where the gap up was, right around this red line, which I've talked about previously as resistance. So not exactly shocking to see that the momentum essentially evaporated right after it got up right around that area. So point here being, not really an update, but confirmation that, yeah, overall that 17, 15-ish area certainly going to be a level of resistance. But given the price is now way down here, what I'm going to do here is just adjust this level down to more of a relevant level of resistance. And that would be right here at 1650. So if there is going to be any sort of attempted bounces back to the upside, then yeah, again, 17 over 17 is still a level of resistance, but it's kind of a little too premature to be talking about those levels until the price can at least prove itself in the near term. And once again, quote unquote, prove itself being defined as not only being able to work its way back up to 1650, but then being able to get the close up above it. You also want to continue to watch that purple line there. That is the very well known, the very famous 50-period moving average. And that is, sloping downward. So you'll want to keep an eye on that. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing fancy, nothing complicated here at all. The bleeding on that gap and trap finally stopped right there at essentially the round number of $15. So for that reason and that reason alone, it's going to be the, why that's a key level of support moving forward. But yeah, nasty movement today, nasty gap and trap, but we'll see if the price can try to get some sort of bounce or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.